Danny at American River Race Hardware, except I'm not at American River Race Hardware. I'm at our off-site filming location. Won't tell you where it's at, private, but we do have a Timberline XL here, and we are using it, and you'll be seeing a lot more of it here with this better background than an Ace Hardware concrete wall. So that's exciting.
Yay!
What else is exciting is Chris Apples from White Bull in the background. What we're going to be going through today are some accessories on your Timberline XL or your Timberline pop and lock system, PALS system, whatever you want to call it. We got storage bins, paper towel holders / butcher paper holder, 2 shelf options, 3 storage hooks. Positive there's more to come in the future. We'll have to wait and see. Let's start off with the hooks. That'll be about 30 seconds. This is a hook. It pops on anywhere you want. I think you got the idea. Shelf, front folding shelf, comes down. The width, pretty much the width of your grate. So you can also get one that's this width. You could put it on the XL or what they call the Timberline Large, even though it's smaller. Not really sure where they went with on that one. So you can put the big shelf on the small grill, which is the large, or you can put the small shelf on the XL. If you put the small shelf on the XL, you can allow for different storage locations or hooks for what you want to do to fit your lifestyle. We have a paper towel dispenser / butcher paper holder / whatever comes in a roll that you want to dispense. It'll come off and it'll go to any size that fits your need. Whatever roll size you have, this will fit it. Simple, put on. You can't go wrong with that until you mess it up. And then boop, oh, these are garbage paper towels. You got that. Next, your storage bin. Very solid storage bin. You can go anywhere you'd like. You're doing something on your induction cooktop here, you need some storage right here, you got it. If you need to move it over there, you move it over there. It's not rocket science, but it is amazing. Thanks for joining us from American River Race Hardware, not at American River Race Hardware, but I'll be at American River Race Hardware. Come see me, I'll get you set up with what you need. If not, leave a comment, ask a question, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.